See here, 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2. So these are the number series. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, these are the 4 terms of this series, and the sixth one is 0 0.2, 0 0.22, 0 0.222 and 0 0.2222. So these are the 4 terms. So we have to check whether these number series is arithmetic progression or not, and if it is arithmetic progression, we have to find the common difference. Okay, and then we have to write next 3 terms. Similarly, this also. Now see here, a2 minus a1. So what is a2? This one, 3 plus root 2 minus this 3, which is equal to, okay, which is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. So 3 gets cancelled, which is equal to root 2. So let it be 1. So a3 minus a2. So what is this? This is a3, 3 plus 2 root 2, third term, minus second term, 3 plus 1 root 2. So open the bracket, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3, and minus into plus minus, and minus into plus minus 1 root 3. So what will be the answer? So minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Now so see this 2, okay, and this is 2 root 2 and this is 1 root 2. So we can write 2 minus 1 into root 2, which is equal to 1 root 2. Okay, so let it be 2. Now a4 minus a3. So a4, what is this? Is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. So this is third term and this is fourth term. Now open this bracket, 3 plus 3 root 3 minus of plus minus 3 minus of plus minus 2 root 2. Now minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled. Now see this, okay, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. So 3 minus 2 root 2, which is equal to 3 minus 1. So 1 root 2. Let it be 3. Now observe this first one, second one and third one. So 1 root 2, a2 minus a1 is equal to root 2, and a3 minus a2 is also root 2, and a4 minus a3 also root 2. So therefore, so here from first, second and third, we got a2 minus a1 is same as a3 minus a2, also same as a4 minus a3. So which is equal to root 2. So this is the common difference. This is the common difference. Okay. Now next 3 terms. Next 3 terms. So first, second, third, fourth. Now fifth term. We have to write fifth term. a3 is equal to a4 plus common difference. Now what is a4? This is a4. 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay. So this is the fourth term and common difference is root 2. Now it is equal to, okay, 3 plus 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So 4 root 2. And sixth term is fifth term plus common difference. Now fifth term is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2. And the next term, seventh term, is equal to 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2. So these are the next three terms of this arithmetic progression. Okay, now see this second question. Okay, so a2 find a2 minus a find a2 minus a1. So what is a2? 0.22 minus 0.2. So this is first term and this is second term. Okay, so which is equal to 0.02. so let it be 1. Now again a3 minus a2 is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22, which is equal to 0.002. so let it be 2. And a4 minus a3 is equal to 0.2222 minus 0.222, which is equal to 0.0002. so let it be 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we got? a2 minus a1. So these are not equal, these are not same. Okay, a2 minus a1 not is equal to a3 minus a2, and it is also not equal to a4 minus a3. So this the given series, therefore the given series does not form the given series does not form an AP. It is not a arithmetic progression. This under root 2, under root 8, under root 18, under root 32. So whether this series is forms an arithmetic progression or not, we have to check, and we have to find the common difference, and next three times we have to write. Okay, see here. First a2 minus a1. So what is a2? Under root 8, and a1 is under root 2. Now see here, a2 can be written as, so this is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, so minus root 2, which is equal to 2 root 2. So this value is 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is equal to root 2. Let it be 1. Now a3 minus a2 is equal to a3. What is? Under root 18 a3 minus a2 under root 8. So what is this? Under root 18 is 3 into 3 into 2, 3 3 is a 9, 9 2 is a 18, and this is as we wrote here, under root 8 is equal to 2 root 2, or we can write, you can write 2 into 2 into 2. Now see, this is a pair and this is a pair, so simply we can write 3 root 2, this value 3 root 2, and this is the 2 root 2. So 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to 1 root 2. So let it be 2. Now a4 minus a3. So what is a4? This is under root 32 minus under root 18. So what is under root 32? So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the, okay, 16. So 32 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. So this 18 is written as 3 into 3 into 3. So now this is a pair, this is a pair, okay. So for this we can write out 2, and this is 2, so under root 2. So this can be written as 2 into 2 root 2 minus this is a pair, so 3 root 2, which is equal to 2 to the 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. So 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is equal to 1 root 2. So let it be equation answer 3. So from 1 to 3, so root 2 root 2 root 2. So here from 1, 2 and 3, so a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to, so root 2. So this is common difference. Now next three terms. Next three terms, that is fifth term. So fourth term plus common difference. So what is the fourth term? So this is the fourth term. So here we can write this as fourth term as 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus common difference root 2, which is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, or we can write under root under root 100 we can write, because 5 under root 50, sorry, or we can write under root 5 into 5 into 2, which is equal to under root 5 as a 25 into 2, so under root 50. So this is third term, this is the fifth term, and sixth term is equal to fifth term plus d, that is 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 6 root 2, which is equal to under root 6 into 6 into 2, which is equal to 6 is the 36, 36 to the 72, under root 72. And last term is last third term is okay, sixth term plus d. So what is sixth term? 6 root 2 plus root 2, which is equal to 7 root 2, which is equal to under root 17 to 17 to 2, 7 into 7 into 2, which is equal to 7 7s are 49, 49 2s are 98, 49 2s are 98. So 49 2s are 98. So these are the next three terms of this arithmetic progression. Now see here this, now try to write this a2 minus a1 is equal to root 6 minus root 3. So we can write this as 3 into 2 into 3, this 6 can be write, okay, and this is root 3. Now see here root 2 minus root 3. Now so see here this can be written as root 2 into root 3 minus root 3. This can be written as root 2 minus 1 into root 3. So this is the difference between these two terms. Now a3 minus a2. So what is a3? Root 9, and a2 is root 6. Now this can be written as root 3 into root 3, and this is root 2 into root 3. So which is equal to root 3 minus root 2 into root 3. So let it be equation 2, and this is 1. Now a4 minus a3. So what is a4? This under root 12 minus, and a3 is under root 9. So under root 12 can be written as 4 into 3, and this is 3 into 3, which can be written as so root 4 into root 3 minus root 3 into root 3, which is equal to root 4 minus root 3 into root 3. So this is the fourth equation. Now see this. So a2 minus a1 is under root 2 minus 1 into root 3, and a3 minus a2 is equal to under root 3 minus 2 under root 2. a3 minus a2 is equal to under root 3 minus under root 2 into root 3, and a4 minus a3 is equal to under root 4 minus under root 3 into root 3. So these terms are not same. Okay, so from 1, 2 and 3, a2 minus a1 not is equal to a3 minus a2, and it is also not equal to a4 minus a3. So therefore the given series does not form an arithmetic progression.